Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your theme or plugins aren't already overriding open graph tags, because duplicate tags cause wrong previews. Next, create a properly sized image, 1200 by 630 pixels, under 300 KB, to ensure consistent renders. Then install or open your SEO plugin like Yoast or Rank Math and locate the social or sharing panel. This is where you upload the OG image. Once done, save the post and clear any caching so the new preview image can propagate to crawlers. You now set the preview for individual posts so social platforms pull the right image. In the post editor, scroll to the SEO or social tab and choose the Facebook or Twitter image slot. Upload or pick your prepared file and add descriptive alt text to help accessibility in platforms. Save or update the post and immediately clear any page, CDN, or plugin cache, because caches often serve outdated metadata. After that, validate the update with a social debugger so you verify the new image is recognized. Finish by forcing platforms to rescan your URL so the new preview appears. Paste the URL into Facebook's or Twitter's debugger and request a fresh scrape. This clears the cached preview. If the wrong image persists, inspect your page source for duplicate OG image tags. Multiple tags or conflicting plugins cause instability. As a last resort, temporarily disable caching plugins or conflicting social plugins, retest in the debugger, and then re-enable one at a time to isolate the conflict.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.